Good day everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Our lesson for today is all about the Windows application program. For our learning objectives at the end of this lesson, the pupil should be able to identify the different application programs in the Windows system, demonstrate the usage of each application. An application program is any program designed to perform a specific function directly for the user or, in some cases, for another application program. Application programs use the services of the computer's operating system and other supporting programs. It uses a graphical user's interface or GUI to allow users to interact with computer or electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators such as menu and tools, instead of text-based user interfaces, typed command labels or text navigation, which is usually for computer programmers' purpose only. What are the application programs included in the Windows system and how to properly use them? Number 1, we have Notepad. It is the most basic text editor in the Windows system, which allows you to open and create text files. While you can create several paragraphs of text with Notepad, formatting the characters is very limited. And here is the picture of Notepad application. Next is we have Paint. Is a simple program for creating computer graphics. The Paint program has the ability to add text, lines and shapes. Paint can be used to draw, color and edit pictures, including imported pictures from a digital camera, for example. And here is the picture of Paint. Next is Media Player. Is an application from Windows which is used to play, store and organize digital audio, images and video. The application has the ability to rip and copy music to compact discs, burn recordable discs in audio CD format or as data discs. And here is the picture of Media Player. Next we have here Fax and Scan. This is also a built-in application of the Windows system which enables the user to send text entered into a fax form, documents created in other applications, and even pictures or documents scanned with a scanner attached to your computer. And here is the picture of Fax and Scan. Next is we have here the Internet Explorer. Is a web browser which allows users to view and navigate web pages on the Internet. Internet Explorer is the most widely used browser in the world then. And here is the picture of Internet Explorer. Next we have here the MS Word. This is a word processor application that allows you to create professional-looking document, report, and letter. And here is the picture of MS Word. Next we have here the MS Excel. This is a spreadsheet application with calculation and graphing tools. And here is the picture of MS Excel. Next, we have here the MS PowerPoint. It is a presentation application that uses a graphical approach to presentations in the form of slideshows that accompany the oral delivery of the topic. This program is widely used in classrooms and businesses and is an effective tool when used for training purposes. And here is the picture of MS PowerPoint. Next we have here the MS Outlook. Messenger is used to communicate with other people. It can be used to send and receive messages. And here is the picture of MS Outlook. Did you understand the lesson? Thank you for listening in this video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe for more educational content.